Yes. Yes, now I come to think of it. I was in my noddy car the other day, and I was, and did you know they cost £1 for a ride these days?
£1?
Yes.
That's very cheap, isn't it?
Well, actually, no. I thought it was extortionate.
Did you have a collision in it?
Well, there was a little child that bumped into my car.
Into your car?
Well, I was in the noddy
Another car?
car.
Okay, and was it another car that you had the collision in, sir? Yes?
It was, yes.
Okay, you wouldn't be able to claim it because it was another car, you see, so what I'll have to do is take you off our system now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, jolly good.
So what about if I was flying on my pigeon the other day, and there was an aeroplane in our way?
No, sorry, you wouldn't be able to claim at all.
But we had a very near collision.
The pigeon can claim, but not yourself, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Jolly good.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
And you. Bye. I love doing that shit.